making something. What's it feel like that? Hi guys, before we get into this video, I just wanted to sit down and talk to you guys. Literally the other day, I made a TikTok and I didn't think that it was going to blow up, and basically it's just so surreal. Like literally I get goosebumps every time I like talk about it. Like I'm literally getting it right now. I just want to say like a huge thank you for you guys like being really like kind and supportive and like subscribing, and like it's crazy that like I didn't actually think it was gonna happen. Like I didn't think I would actually get past 700 subscribers. Like I was literally struggling at that number. Literally like I could say thank you like 200 million times for you guys. Like thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I am so excited to start this journey with you guys. And for my OG ones that have stayed since I have had like probably like zero, like literally no subscribers, literally no one, I'm really happy that you guys are here to see me grow. All right, I'm gonna stop talking now so you guys can watch the video, but thank you so much guys from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate it. Hi guys, welcome back to this week's video. You guys are probably wondering, what am I doing in the kitchen? As the title of this video, I indeed am going to be cooking. So I had this idea when I was going on my Pinterest, like maybe I should cook something. I was laying in my room and I was like, you know what a better idea to film it. You know, like I've never cooked a single thing in my life besides like eggs, pancakes, like spam, rice, like the most easiest things ever. And this is like the first time that I'm actually making something, like making something. This is, I have asparagus here, like yeah, so I'm gonna attempt to make it. I've never cooked a single thing in my life, like baked and stuff, so this is gonna be really interesting. I'm going to be calling my sister because I have no clue how to cook, and she's an expert, so she's gonna be like helping me, and we'll just see how bad I do or good. I don't know. Okay, how do I clean the salmon?
Wash it and pat it.
Wash it just like with water?
Yeah.
All right, guys, I'm gonna take it out. Wait, do I need like? You said pat it?
Yeah,
give me a plate. What does it feel like that? It feels so gross. Okay, wait, how long do I have to clean it for? What do I do, just rinse it? Does it have to be completely dry? Okay, I preheat the oven at 425.
Well, you just a little too much, girl.
Wait, I want to cook asparagus with it. Can't I do both? So do I put more olive oil?
No, it's fine.
I'm gonna put more olive oil. Wait, do I have to cut the asparagus or can I just put it on top?
Cut the ends off the asparagus. And wash your asparagus.
Oh my gosh, it's strong. Or maybe this knife sucks.
I would cut it a little higher. They hard as shit.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I think you gotta cut like almost an inch off. Cause you're cutting,
Oh, okay.
It's softer. What do you do now? What do you mean? You season your food.
What do I put on it?
Put pepper all over. Then do garlic powder, onion powder.
Wait, you're talking too fast. Hold on.
Black pepper. Look up. The third shelf. It's all the way up there. Garlic and onion. Sprinkle that all over. Sprinkle the garlic powder all over. That was way too much.
You said sprinkle it.
I sprinkle it. You like dumping it. Lord have mercy, Jenny. Sprinkle all over and then just rub it in. though. Try to do like a little tent over it or something. Take the oil off, like I think 10 minutes until it's done.
Wait, what?
Get a foil and like cover it, but like kind of make it like a tent where the foil doesn't directly touches the salmon.
I'm gonna make you repeat that one more time. I don't know what you're saying.
Get a foil, tear off like a little bit, not a lot, Lord have mercy. And then make a tent, girls. Fold it in half. Gosh, now open it back up. And just place over it. Just like lay on top. Just yeah, something like that. Just don't let the foil touch your thing.
My what? The salmon?
Yeah.
Is that all?
Yeah, mix it up and then that's it.
Oh, I gotta touch it?
Jenny, how do you think people cook food? If you didn't want to touch it, you should have worn gloves.
Well, you should have told me that before. Yeah, like I cook all the time.
Oh my God. Don't live by yourself yet, man.
Okay, I'm done. How long do I put it in for?
Do it for 30 minutes.
Okay guys, so it's finally done. Well, okay, don't mind the honey, okay? It burnt. My sister said that. She said it was gonna burn. So, okay, this is like, I don't like taking stuff out of the oven. Oh wait, shit. Shh, stop. No, Carol. This is what we're working with. Okay, so I also made rice right here. The fact that I'm trying to make it aesthetically pleasing for you guys, but like literally it looks so bad. Guys, I cannot believe I made this. Like, even though this was like a really easy recipe, like this is the first time I've ever made something like this, like by myself, like just listening to my sister's like instructions. This is crazy. Okay, I'm gonna take a bite. I'm gonna let you guys know how I like it. Bro, I'm a chef, guys. This is good. This is good. Okay, I'm gonna try the asparagus, which I'm pretty sure it's gonna taste good, but... Whoa. Amazing! This is so good. I freaking love asparagus. Oh my gosh. It's like potatoes to me. Oh, guys, this is like so... This is a turning point for me. I'm making that again. Guys, bet on it, I'm making it again, and I think you guys should too. Like, literally try it. If you guys don't have the recipe, I'll link the recipe down below. I literally eyeballed everything that I put in here. If you guys clearly didn't see from the clips before, I did not go by what she was talking about. Literally, I put a handful of salt on my asparagus on accident, but you can't even, it's not even that bad. Like, it's not salty. It's literally perfect. Oh my gosh, it's so good. All right guys, thank you if you guys made it this far into the video, for watching me literally be a complete idiot and cooking this, like really successfully though. Like I literally cooked this meal, like my first cooked meal. That's so exciting. If you guys liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more. I hope you guys all stay safe out there and wear a mask. Don't forget to, okay? And I will see you guys next week with a new one. Bye.